Hello, everybody. I was in Canada in the month of April for the FIDE candidates. If you follow me on Instagram, you will be already knowing this. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you how I transform my summer clothing into winter clothing. Basically, outfits I wore for the event. I call this summer clothing because I live in Goa, which is hot and humid throughout the year, regardless of the heavy rains. I kept my outfits more towards the black color combinations, and they have a pop of color because I wanted to pack as minimal as possible, and you'll see that. So let me show you my outfits. How to convert a perfect summer dress into winter wear. Let me show you. Let's begin with pairing this dress with black thermals underneath. Since the overall colors are kind of dull, I choose my silver spectacles, white earrings and white shoes to add a pop of color. Layering it with a black blazer plus my jacket, which perfectly matches this fit, I should say. And no, this was not planned. I bought this jacket in Toronto. It was supposed to be the spring season over there, but for me, going from 35 degrees to 0 degrees when I arrived, it was a huge change, and I would not have survived without my thermals that I wore underneath, and this jacket, of course, which provided a lot of warmth. Thanks to my aunt for selecting this color. I used these fleece leggings as thermals underneath many outfits. I should tell you, they did a great job. Worth purchasing regardless of what bottom wear you choose to wear. Go for the skin color one for a more natural look. I'm using the black one in most of my outfits because, well, that's all I had at that point of time. And yeah, I would actually prefer the nude or the skin colored one for some of my outfits for sure. Who else loves anime here? I have this beautiful Sakura shirt which I'm pairing with these formal shorts. I don't know what they're called. And of course, I have a layer of thermal wear underneath. This boyfriend shirt is from Seoul Store, which I absolutely love as the fit gives Korean fashion vibes. I layer it with a blazer to complete it. So it's basically an all black outfit with the shirt as a huge contrast, which is given company by my spectacles and earrings, of course. This was supposed to be my birthday outfit. How do you like it? Let's style this mini skirt. I mean this printed pencil skirt. I love abstract stuff in life, fashion included. I want this outfit to portray a calm vibe even though it could look like there's a lot going on with the skirt. Embracing the darkness with an all-black outfit where the skirt is the star. And of course, this black blazer on top. I did not have black socks at the time, so I wore something matching to the skirt. Regardless, I love the final look. What do you think? I love mixing the so-called masculine and feminine styles, and that is exactly what I do here. An all-black outfit with this beautiful pinafore. I think that's what it's called. I bought it many years ago, probably in 2017 or 18. I usually pair it with a body-hugging top, but here I decide to experiment with a glossy shirt. Since it was my outfit for the opening ceremony, I wanted to keep it very formal, and I absolutely love it. How to wear a high-slit summer floral skirt in winters. Let me show you how I did it. I paired it with a white pullover or sweater and fleece leggings. For the love of white, I added white shoes and white earrings too. And with this jacket layered on top, I was ready to face the cold. I like how colorful and optimistic this outfit looks in the cold days. Yeah, I believe in moods, not seasons. So these are my 5 outfits for today. There are some outfits I've not covered in this video, of course. So let me know in the comments if you would like a part 2 and I'll make it for you. And I'll probably see you in the comments. Bye.
When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Well, maybe you could be my solace.